Understanding limiting expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting aspect of the English language that can significantly impact the meaning of your sentences: limiting expressions. These expressions are crucial for specifying the extent or limiting the scope of what you're talking about. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, mastering these phrases will enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started. Limiting expressions are words or phrases that restrict the quantity, scope, or degree of a noun or action. They help us to be more precise and clear in our statements. For example, the words only, just, merely, and simply can transform a sentence by narrowing down its focus. Consider the difference between these two sentences. I read books. I only read books. The addition of only significantly changes the meaning, indicating that reading books is the sole activity the person engages in. In this section, we'll explore some common limiting expressions and how they're used in sentences. Only specifies exclusivity or a single possibility. She only eats vegetarian food. Just indicates something happened a short time ago or emphasizes a small amount. I just finished my homework. Merely suggests that something is no more than what is stated. It's used to reduce the significance of something. It's merely a suggestion, even used to highlight something surprising or unexpected. He even completed the marathon in under 3 hours. Understanding how to use these expressions correctly can help you convey your thoughts more accurately. To effectively use limiting expressions, consider the following tips. 1. Position is key. The meaning of a sentence can change based on where you place the limiting expression. Compare only he likes apples with he likes only apples. The first sentence means he is the sole person who likes apples, while the second means apples are the only fruit he likes. 2. Be mindful of emphasis. Limiting expressions can subtly change the emphasis or tone of your message, so choose them carefully to match your intended meaning. 3. Practice with examples. Regularly practice constructing sentences with different limiting expressions to understand their nuances and effects. Limiting expressions are powerful tools in the English language that help us communicate with precision and clarity. By understanding and using these expressions effectively, you can enhance your English speaking and writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try incorporating these phrases into your daily conversations and written communications. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!